In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix message blocking is active on iPhone, or simply you are unable to send message on your iPhone. So please watch the video till the end and make sure to follow this tutorial step by step to avoid making mistakes. So if you're unable to send message on your iPhone, the first thing we want to do is to turn on our send as SMS setting. So first we want to go to our phone settings. Now I want to scroll down a little bit and go to our messages setting. Now you want to scroll down, and as you can see this send as SMS setting, you want to enable that. If it's already turned on, you want to toggle it. Toggle it off and on again, and you want to reboot your phone. So the next thing we want to do is to check our date and time. So we want to go to our general settings. We want to go to date and time. And you want to make sure that set automatically is turned on. If it's already turned on, you want to toggle it off and on again. And the next method we can do if it still doesn't work is you want to pull out your SIM card from your phone and you want to insert it back again. And you want to reboot your phone. The next thing we want to do is to enable our iMessage setting. So first we want to go to message settings. And as you can see here, iMessage, you want to turn this on. If it's already turned on, you want to turn it off again and turn on again. And you want to reboot your phone. So that's how simple and easy it is. If you find this video helpful, please hit like and subscribe. Thanks.